Hi, Super Code Boy, and I'll be showing you a sniper, MG gun, or whatever it is, like a machine gun, impact punch, or cool scope, and I'll be showing you a way gun. First, we'll show you this gun. It's got like a little toe pad on it right there, and then it's still in this snake. I tried to make lines for like, I don't know what that's what in the aiming side. Before I go on trying to make a Springfield. Yeah, and this gun is good. And through here. And I've got the way gun. Good aiming sight. The little toe pads, and you put the bullet in there. And I've got this big MG I made coming from here. Got a little ammo box I made and some scope. Look through the scope. So stuff like this. Yeah. And a few days you can go open this door through here. Okay. And by the way, the way gun has got a bit can come down like this, come back up. And this gun, the thing about this gun is, it's got a bit of blue tack stuck in there, like that's a heap of mini bullets, ray bullets together and got to go boom. And this is a bit like you put a missile on here and go. Every time I had a missile on it, go. So that's all for today. I got the MG, way gun, machine gun, and we're trying to make a Springfield there. That's all I've got for today, okay. So, see you later. Bye.